All right, boys. How you guys doing? Today is the day that I get this thing fixed, you know. So I'm not going to have this car for maybe about a week and a half. Yeah. So let's do a good cold start.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have the car back. It's been about a week and a half now. I dropped the car off here and yeah, she's back. This is gonna be a short video. As you can see here, everything looks perfectly fine, brand new again. My brother fixed it really good and then paint this area, and there was a little dent here as well. It's all gone, so everything is worked perfectly fine, and the paint, everything matched correctly. And they also painted that whole bumper, so everything was good, man. Everything was good. So yeah, I'm gonna go for a drive and we're about to end this video. And he's the dude, that's my boy rider that fixed it for me. And if you have to fix your car, you live in Naples, Fort Myers, Bonita Springs,
pretty much, like we have stores everywhere, so
yeah. So
it's, as you can see, Caliber Saloon, pretty sure everybody sees it.
Yeah, man, they did a really great job. Great job. Everything looks perfectly fine. Yeah. All right, bro.
All right, man, you take it easy.
Yeah.
Later.
It's hot as hell. It's a cold start, baby. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys when I get home. It's busy traffic. I don't want to record and do all that, so yeah, I'll see you guys. For you guys, it'll be in a second. For me, it's in 40 minutes. Alright guys, just like that, I'm home. It was about 35-minute drive. It's Bonita Springs to Cape Coral. It's the same county but different little city. I used to live town there, but now I'm in the Cape. I would say with every traffic it's about 40 minutes, but at night it's like 25 minutes or so. But anyways, now that we're home, as you can see, the hood, now the next thing I have to do is the front hood and the bumper. You may not be able to see it on camera, but the hood, there's a lot of chips here, and since it's the black car, and it's even worse. So other than that, everything looks fine. As you can see, the car is perfectly fine. So yeah, everything is back to normal as it was before, and the scratch is gone. That dent right here is gone. So yeah, we're all good to go now. Okay guys, like I said, this was just a short video, pretty short video. I went to pick up the car. The car was there for about a week and a half now. So yeah, now I'm back. So I think, well, it was over there for that long because my brother was there. The one was working on it, and it was easy, but it wasn't a big deal because I have another car. So yeah, so this is all for today's video. As you can see, it's Florida. It's about to pour town rain, and as for me, and it's hot out here, and Jesus, that guy was staring. Anyways, maybe he's just think I'm weird because I have a camera on my hand. So anyways, I will go back inside, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and give this video a like, and I will see you guys in the next one.